Guys, you ready?
Ready?
Go.
Like thinking I'm a fool because I'm not. The whole Ronnie and Sam situation may be crumbling as we speak. It's only a matter of time before she's going to pull the eject button.
Mike is, he's a creepy. I mean, at this point, you're lucky I don't crack you in your face right now. Mike needs to get over it because he thinks that Sam is still fair game and that he still has a chance and it's not going to happen.
I met this real hot Israeli girl, Danielle. She seems to be like a really cool chick. So I mean, like, I don't know, but I'm up for anything. I'm just see how it goes. I'm not going anywhere. Melissa definitely likes me. And the fact that she's Mike's sister just makes it so much better because on top of it, me and Mike have a little bit of tension between us. So the fact that I have a sister under my arm, it's the funniest thing. I pretty much left Mike's sister to hang out with Tanya.
Why did you leave without waiting for me today? Feel a little upset with Vinny because my baby sister's there and she's like #1 in my life no matter what. And I need to say something to Vinny. Vinny's on my list. I'm a little pissed at him right now because he's not like taking care of my sister. All right, wait, what? Vinny knows that I have a short fuse, that I'm gonna flip out. He knows that I'm the man of the house, and that's not to push it too far. I just want to get to the business.
Oh, what beautiful dialogue that was. Thank you, cast of
How hard was
Jersey
that, guys?
Shore.
It was very challenging.
I bet it was.
It was fun. It was fun.